How to find Facebook hidden friend list. So if you want to find friend lists that are hidden, then let's see. First we have to open up your Facebook application, and then after opening, if you go to your upper right corner, which has the three barred icon, and then you can go to friends or find friends, and from here you can go to your friends, and under your friends you can simply tap on any one of your friend, and under that, if you go and tap on friends under your friends profile, here it won't show their friend list, right? So let me tell you one thing, that we can't see their friend list or friends list under Facebook if they have hidden it. So if you want to see their friend list, you have to ask that friend to make that public. So there is no way to find Facebook hidden friend list, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.